Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you on how you can install your investment website script. I'm going to be teaching you on how you can install your investment website. So let's get started. So after, like I always say, to install any type of script, you need to have your domain, and also you need to have your hosting. So after buying your domain and hosting, you can log in through your hosting area, your or your cPanel. So after logging in, all you have to do is to move straight to your file manager. You move straight to your file manager, so you wait for it to load. So if you just bought your domain and hosting, you are not going to see a lot of folder like this. No, you are not going to see a lot of folder. You're just going to see some few something here, but you are going to see your public_html. So your public_html is your main domain, so you are going to click inside your main domain. But for this tutorial I'm going to be using a subdomain, so it's the same process, so you don't get yourself confused. Are you getting me? So this is my subdomain. So from this area on this area capital.com is my main domain. Are you getting me? So this one now make it my subdomain. This one, are you getting it? So the same thing with you. Your own is public_html. You are going to see public_html except you create a subdomain. Are you getting me? So what you just have to do is for you to click your public_html or you click your subdomain. So I'm going to use this subdomain for this tutorial. So this is it. As you can see, I already have my script in this place, but in your own you are not going to see anything. You are not going to see anything here. It's just going to be blank. It's just going to be white. But I'm going to show you the process on how you can upload your script. I'm going to show you. So this is how you do it. So you go to this place. It's going to be white, just blank. You click on upload. After clicking on upload, you click on select file. So after clicking on select file, you go to where you have your script. You go to where you have your script. You can just go to anywhere you have your script. It can be something like this. Sorry for that. So it can be something like, let me just show you an example. So it can be something like this. Can be this. So you just have to do is for you to click on it, then you click on open. So after clicking on open, it's going to be counting here 1 2 3 4 5 till you get to 100. Then the color will now show green, then it will show complete. So after it show complete, it will now come here. You will now go back to, then you are going to see this now you are going to see the script you uploaded. Are you getting me, guys? So now after uploading your script, the next we would love to do is to extract it. Now how can you extract your script? You click on it. You click on it. After clicking on it, you right click or you click on download, or you click on it. After clicking on it, you come here, you click on it. After clicking on it, you right click. After right clicking, you come to extract. So now we are extracting it into our subdomain. So if you are using public_html, you extract it into public_html, then you click on extract files. So we are going to wait for it to be extracted. Let's give it okay. So now this is what you do. You can see this is it. So now what we do now is come here, click on close. So after clicking on close, you come here, click on reload. So we have extracted it. Now we are going to see our folder. When we extracted this zip file, then that is when we now have this folder. So now you click on the folder. So after clicking on the folder, we now have our folders and files, which these are our main website. This is our website, guys. This is our website. So these are folders and files. This is what we want. So after having this, what we would love to do next is to click on select all. Now if you want to move these our folders and files into our subdomain. So the same thing with you will move them into your main domain, which is your public_html. And how can you do it? Let me show you an example so that you can understand. So if I scroll here, you see after my subdomain I have another slash and another folder here. So I want to move them into this so that I will not have this. So I just want you to understand. So you come here, click on select all, then you click on move. So after clicking on move, you backspace because I want to move them into my subdomain. So I've backspace it. So now I'll click on move files. So if you are using public_html, you are going to move it to this place. So this is a subdomain I'm using. That is why you are seeing this. So you click on move files. So you wait for it to go. So now You go back now. So now let's check. You will see that we now have our folders and files inside our subdomain. So now after doing this, the next step we will have to take is to download our SQL file. So you search for .sql. So you search for it. Let's see if we'll see it here. .sql. So this is it. This is .sql. So it can be install.sql, it can be database.sql, depending on what they use to save it. So but as far there is .sql, so this is what we want to download. So we are going to be using it. We are going to import it later on. So you just click on it, you right click, you click on download. So we are going to import it. I will show you how you can do that. So but now the next thing we will love to do next is to create our database. Yes, we can create our database. Now how can you create your database? This is how you do it. You come here, you right click, you open link in a new tab. So you come here, you search for database wizard, you search for it. So now this is what you do next. This is what you do after. Now you can use any name to create your database. Yeah, so I can use rent 20. Yeah, you can use any name to create your database. So you click on next step. So I'll click on rent 20. I will click on rent, type rent 20 here again. So for the user, at the end of the day, the username and the database name is going to be Ariakapi rent 20. So for me not to get confused, I'm just going to copy this and use as my password. So I'm going to copy this and use as my password, so that at the end of the day I will not be confused, I will not get confused. I don't know if you are following. So I will click here to confirm. So I'll click on create user. You click on create user. So now you come here, you click on all privileges. Make sure you click on all privileges. Now after doing that, you scroll down, then you click on make changes. So you click on make changes. So now I'm just going to come here to this place and copy it. So I'm going to show you here, you paste this. So you make sure you are very careful when copying it. So I'll copy. So now I'll come back here, then I'll search for .env file. .env file. So I'll come here, I'll right click. So you click on edit. So after clicking on edit, you come to here, you have DB database. So we don't want this. So the database you created, you paste here. So the username, you paste here. So for the password, the same thing. I'll put the password here. Are you getting it? So now app URL. So you put your main. You can, if you are using popular HTML, you put your main domain URL here. Make sure you put it here. So I'm going to come here now and copy my subdomain. So I'll come here now and copy my subdomain. Then I'll paste it here. So I'll paste it. So let me check again if there's any other thing I would love to do. So I believe there is none. So you can change your app name. Yeah, you can change your app name. So just come here now and click on save changes. So after doing that, now the next we love to do next is to go and import our database. So how can we do it? You come here, you click on you search for PHP admin. So you wait for it to load. So this, we just created our database. So you go to the database you created. Make sure you go to the database you created. This is the database we just created. So you click on it. So we want to import our SQL file now. So this is how you do it. You come here, you click on import. So you come here, you click on choose files. So this is the SQL file we downloaded. So you click on it, then you click on open. So after clicking on open, you scroll down, then you click on import. So you wait for it to load. Let's be patient with it. For it to load. So let's be patient. So we are going gradually. We just have to be patient so our SQL file can be imported successfully. So let's just be patient. Okay guys, you can see that we've imported our SQL file successfully. You can see we've done that successfully. So now what we want to do next, after doing our .tf and importing our SQL file, the next thing for us to do next to see if our website is live. So let's check, guys. Let's see. Let's copy this. Sorry. Let's copy. I want to copy my subdomain to see if my website is live. So I'll copy this now. So copy this now. Sorry for this. So I'll copy this. So I'll paste, then I'll click on enter. So now this is the front end of our website. As you can see, guys, this is the front end of our website. You can see our website is live. This is the front end of our website. You can see how beautiful and nice it is, guys. You can see this is the front end. This is the front end of our website. This is it. So I'm going to show you the user, how to have access to your user dashboard. So now I'll come here, I'll paste this. Now for you to have access to your user dashboard, you need to create an account, or if you already have an account, you need to log in. So if you want to create an account, you come here, you click on get started. So now you create an account. So for username, I'll use let me use Fumi1. So full name, I'll use Fumi. So I'll use Fumi. The email, I'll say fumi@gmail.com. So phone number, I'll put my phone number here. So for password, I'll put my password here. So confirm password. Sorry, I think I made a mistake. So now I'll scroll down. Country, you put your country here. Nigeria. So here, acceptance and privacy policy. So I'll click on register. So click on register. So it's going to take us to our user dashboard, guys. You can see this is our user dashboard. You can see the script is very nice. So this is the user dashboard. You can see this is the front end of our website. This is the front end of our website. This is the front end. The front end. So if you create any plan you create is going to be here. So here now we are having one. You wish you can edit. So I'll still show you in the admin. When we get to the admin, I will show you. So this is the front end, and also this is the user dashboard of our website. So you can see how beautiful and nice it is, guys. Very nice. You can see. So here this is here your account balance, total profit, total bonus, total referral bonus, total investment plan, active investment plan, total deposit, total withdrawal. You can see here you have your profit record, transaction history, crypto exchange, transfer fund, invest, refer users, help and support. You can see this is what we have here in the user dashboard. This user dashboard where you can see everything you are doing. So now I want to show you how, if you want to fund your account, you can come here and fund your account. You can withdraw funds. This is how you come here and do it. So now I want to show you on how you can get access to your admin dashboard. So for you to have access to your admin dashboard, you come here, you put your URL, this is /admin dashboard. That's what you do, /admin dashboard. So there are some, if you just say /admin, it will work. So this one you say /admin dashboard. So you wait for it to load. So now as you can see, we want to log into our admin dashboard, but we don't know what is the admin email and password. So if you don't know, this is what you do. You go back to your PHP my admin, go back to it, you search for admin. Can you see? You search for admin. So you click on it, you come here, you come here, you click on edit. We want to change this email and we want to change the password. That's what we want to do. So you come here, you click on edit. So after clicking on edit, I'll come here, search for email. So this is our email. So I don't want to use this email, so I'll just use the email that I'm going to use or remember. I'll say admin at may.com. So you can use any name to create your admin. You can use any name to create your admin. Yeah. So this is the email I want to use for my admin. So for the password, I want to use this. So for the password, I will say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'll use that for the password. So I will scroll down here. So I'll click here. So I'll scroll down here. I will scroll down, then click on go. So after doing that, now you can now come to the admin dash area where you want to log in. Admin at may.com. Then for the password, I'll put my password. So now I'll click on sign in. So it's going to take us now to the admin dashboard. So you can see successfully we've logged in into our admin dashboard, guys. Can you see? We've logged in into our admin dashboard. This is it. This is our admin dashboard. Can you see? This is it. So this is the front end. This is the front end of our website. This is the front end, and this is the user dashboard. You can see this is the admin. So now next thing you love to do is to come to setting, scroll down. This is where you can do settings. You see here from here you can do your app setting, you can do your referral setting, you can do your payment settings, you can do your exchange settings, your subscription settings, you can do your front end settings. Are you seeing it, guys? So now let me show you this app setting. This here. Now this is where you can change your website name. You can see now we have Onlinetrader, so we don't want this. So I'll say you can use your name. Let's say Joseph, or let us say trade with Joseph. Let us use that. So you can come here and say website title. You can put your website title here. Welcome to trade. Trade. Sorry for that mistake. Trade with Joseph. I just want to show you something, guys. Here is that. So the rest you can put whatever you want to put here. So I just want to show you. You put your website, your URL here. So website description, you put announcement, you put here. So your logo, you put your logo here, and your favicon. So if you put your favicon here, it's going to change. So I'll click on update. So I'll just click on updates. So guys, you can now see that we now have what trade with Joseph. So if I should come here now and refresh, you are going to see it's going to say what trade with Joseph. So if I should come to our front end now, it's going to still show trade with Joseph. So that is it for the for that. Are you getting the guys? So this is it. You can do whatever. That's for the. Let me go back. I think. Okay. Yes, this is it. So let me say for the website information, you put whatever you want to put here. So after making change, you click on update. So preference. So your contact email. After creating your email, you put your email here. You just have to go through it and see KYC. You can on KYC. You can off your KYC. Whatever you can do it there. So you can do it there. Dollar currency. You can put the currency of your choice. So that is it. Your email, your mail server SMTP. So depending after creating your SMTP from your cPanel area, you can just put all the informations here. So after doing that, you click on save. I get me, guys. So that is it. So now another thing I would love to quickly show you guys. So let us observe the front end. Let's see what it adds for us. Let's observe the front end settings. Let's see. So you can see edit the front page of your website. So you can edit the testimonial. You can edit the website content, like the contact us, get in touch, get started, requests, support requests, you can edit it. You can see all this. You can edit it. The about us, you can edit it. Are you getting me, guys? So if you should come here now, you will see we have the about us. You can edit all these things. You can edit it, which is this. Sorry, let's come back to this place. The email, you can see you just have to get started. So if you want to edit, click on edit, so you do your editing. So that is it, guys. So this, let me quickly show you. If you want to create a plan, you come to where your investment plan. So let's, okay, sorry, let me quickly change. The network is somewhat bad. So let's be patient. So if you want to create, so if you want to create a plan, you come to your investment plan. This is how you create a plan. So you come here now, we are having this. You come here, click on new plan. So this is where you put your ad plan name, plan price, everything. You put it here. I get in, guys. So let me just quickly show you. So let's use Venom for example. Let me just show you fast. So let me use any amount, 2000, and you say 600, let's just say 500. This is just for tutorial purposes. So I want to show you something fast. So 7, okay, monthly, let's use that. So give bonus 700, top of this, and let's say 78. So just want to show you something, guys. So now this, let's say 2 is, now if you see the front end now, you see here we are having only this. Now let me show you something now. Add plan. So let's click on add plan. So plan created successfully. So now let me refresh. You see, this is what you created. So that is it. That is how you can do it. So you can click on buy now, whatever you want to do. So the user now can come to invest. So come to subscribe to a plan. Click on subscribe to a plan. Then it's going to see this. And he or she what join plan. So he's going to see, he or she is going to see this. So you can create as many plans you want, so depending on the plan you want to create. So that is for that. So if you come to manage users, you can, this was the account you created. You can come here, manage. If you come to manage action, if you come to action, you can turn off trade, you can credit or debit user, whatever you want to do it, you can do it here. So yeah, you can do it here. You can log in as me, you can delete the account, so depending on you. So now you can manage deposit. If maybe a user make a deposit, you can come here, you can see the proof of payment to see if he or she has really made deposit. So that is it, guys. You can delete if you want to, you can delete if you want to. So that is it, guys. So the center is for manage withdraw. So you can come here and see, use payment completed. You can come here and see for the withdraw side. So you can also go back. So that is it, guys. So I've already show you manage users. Yeah, this is where you can, maybe you want to debit your client, you want to fund your client account, you want to send message to all these user, you want to add user. So that is it for that, guys. So this is the user dashboard. You can transfer funds here, you can transfer funds, receive IMA, amount to send. So that is it, guys. So now you can fund account. If you want to fund account, you can fund account, enter amount, you can fund your account, then you can withdraw funds. So depending on what you want to do. So after doing that, click on proceed payment. So that is it, guys. So this is the front end of our website. This is the front end of it. And this is the user dashboard. This is the user interface of our website. This user interface. This is the admin dashboard of our website, where you can see and monitor everything, guys. So this is it, guys. So I believe this tutorial help a lot, guys, and I know watching this tutorial, you'll be able to build or install your investment website. So this is how you can do it. So please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, so that other people want to know on how to install this particular type of script. They'll be able to know on how they can do it. Thank you, guys, for watching.